What is up, fellow Pyros? Today we're going to take a look at a nice Sky Bacon 9-shot angled cake called 9 Lives. Now this is a pretty specialty cake. What I mean by that is it's only really used if you use fireworks with it. By itself, it's really quick, does have nice effects, but duration is so short that this, and myself, to me, this is not an actual cake you would want to get if you wanted to enjoy a nice little 200 to 350 gram cake. This is one you would like to put into a show and have angled breaks, and then also throw some big ones or some low breaks below. But let's go ahead and take a look at the 9 Lives. It's an amazing fan effects featuring colored pearls and glittering mine to splendid color stars with silver, green, and gold glitter. I have 3 volleys. So we got an angle, you can tell, and it's 3 shots, 3 shots, 3 shots. Let's go ahead and look at 9 Lives by Sky Bacon Fireworks. It's a nice 350 gram 9-shot cake. I would highly recommend this to put it in the show, but not on its own. We got 9 Lives. Wow. Next, we're gonna go with 9 Lives.